Good morning, P2. Welcome to our math class. Again, I am Teacher Levy. Today, we are going to continue our activity in your mathematics in division. But first, let's do our vocabulary. Here are the set of words that you will learn today. First, division, division, dividend, dividend, divisor, divisor, quotient, quotient, left, left, remainder, remainder, equally, equally, unknown, unknown, divided by, divided by, share, share. These are the set of words that you will learn today. Now let's do our OLD, our oral language development. Question: how many pairs of shoes do you see? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many pairs of shoes do you see? So your answer will be there are 20 pairs of shoes. Very good. Now I want you to get your book and turn on pages 92 to 93. So let us answer. So exercise number 1. Put 16 paper clips into groups of 4. So let us group this paper clip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, two groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, three groups, and 4 groups. So there are 4 groups of 4. So put the 16 here. So write the number sentence in division. 16 divided by 4 in each group. How many groups you can get? 4. Very good. So therefore, there are 4 groups of paper clips. Now, take a look at number 2. There are 18 donuts equally into 3 trays. So put 18 donuts equally into 3 trays. So how many donuts you can put in each donut? So first, let's do the setting or put one by one. So put one donut on the first tray, second tray, and third tray. Next, second set. Let's put one donut to each tray. Next, third set. Let's put another one donut on each tray. The next, fourth set of donuts. So let's see. One. Okay. So next, fifth set of donuts. So let's see. Let's put them on the tray one by one. And last set. Okay, very good. So now, how many donuts did you put in on each tray? So put or write the division sentence. 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So there are 6 donuts. So there are 6 donuts in each tray. Next, page 93. Make equal groups. Fill in the boxes. So make 4 equal groups of pencils. So take a look at it. Let's try to put 1 by or 2 group in each group. 1, 2. So 1 group. 1, 2. Second group. 1, 2. Third group. 1, 2. Fourth group. So there are 4 equal groups. So how many pencils are in each group? Let us count. 1, 2. So there are 2 pencils in each group. Now let's write the division sentence. Count the pencils. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 divided by how many pencils in each group? 2. Very good. Now, 8 divided by 2, how many sets of 2 or how many groups of 2 you can get from 8? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4. Very good. So now, letter B. Make 2 equal groups of shapes. Let us count how many shapes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, what do you think how many in each group we can get in 10 different shapes. So let's group them into 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. That's the first group. Second group is this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now how many shapes are in each group? Very good, 5. So now how many shapes again? Right, 10. So now write the division sentence. 10 divided by 5 is equals how many groups? Very good, 2 groups. Next, letter C. Make 6 equal groups of lychee. So how many groups you can get and how many in each group? Okay, so let's try to put 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 equal groups. So how many in each group? Very good, 3. So now, how many lychees do you have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, put 18 here and divide it into how many in each group? 3. Good job. So, 18 divided by 3 is equals to how many groups of 3 you can get from 18? Very good. 6. So, therefore, 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Alright, next, page 94. Fill in the boxes. How many dots are there? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots. Now, put 2 dots in each group. So let us count. 1, 2. One group. 1, 2. Second group. 1, 2. Third group. Okay, so therefore, how many groups you can get? How many dots? Okay, so there are 3 groups of 2 dots. Now, letter C, put 3 dots in each group. So let us count. 1, 2, 3. So first group. Next, there are more. 1, 2, 3. Second group. So how many 3 dots? Okay, how many set of 3 dots? Very good. There are 2 groups of 3 dots. Now, write the division sentence. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. So what do you notice? So in 6 dots, you can divide it into 3 groups of 2 and you can divide 6 divided by 2 equals 3, or you can divide 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Alright, so 6 divided by 2 groups equals 3. So, as you can see, they can change the place of the divisor and the quotient, but the dividend, they are still the same. So, they can't change the place. You can search for the number of groups, or you can see or search the set of number of set. Or, again, division is the inverse of multiplication. So they are related. So division is the opposite process of multiplication. Take a look at this. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So meaning 3 groups of 2 equals 6. Or 2 groups of 3 equals 6. So as what do you notice? So division is the inverse or opposite of multiplication. It looks like they switch, right? So, in division and multiplication, you can relate them as inverse process. Okay, so take a look at it. Now, let's do number 5. Let's divide these letters A to H. So, first, 30 divided by 5. How many set of 5 you can get from 30? Good job. 6. Next, 12. So 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. Next, 22 divided by 2. How many set of 2 you can get? Very good. 11. Next, 27 divided by 9? Or what number you can multiply by 9? The answer is 27. Great. 3. Next, 12 divided by 3 is equals to how many? Very good. Or 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Very good. Next, 42 divided by 7 is equals to? Great. 6. Or 6 times 7 is equals to 42. Very good. Next, 24 divided by 6, how many groups you can get? Right, 4. Or when you multiply 4 times 6, the answer is 24. Very good. Next, 16 divided by 8 is equals to how many sets of 8 you can get? Right, 2. Or when you multiply 2 times 8, the answer is 16. Very good. So now number 6. Circle the correct answers. 16 divided by 4 equals what number? So what number you can multiply by 4? The answer is 16. Is it 4 times 4, 2 times 4, 5 times 4, 6 times 4, or 3 times 4? Very good. 4. So 4 times 4 is equals to 16. So, like for example, 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Or in multiplication, 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Wow, very good. So next, letter B. 54 divided by 6 is equals to what number you can multiply 6? The answer is 54. Right, 9. So therefore, the answer is 9. So 54 divided by 6 is equals to 9. Or when you multiply 9 times 6, the answer is 54. Do you get it? I hope you understand our lesson. Okay, so that's all for today. Again, this is Teacher Levy saying thank you, and I'll see you again on Monday. Happy weekend. Bye.